Hello, today we wanted to share with you this electric juicer. It is super simple and easy to use, and it is one of my son's favorite pastimes to juice. What do you like to juice?
Like lemonade and orange juice.
Lemonade and orange juice. He likes to juice oranges and lemons. Today we have a whole bunch of limes, so I figured we would see if we could make some limeade out of it. So why don't you show him how it works? So he has his lime. They're smaller, obviously, than the other fruits that he uses, but you just pick it up. Pick your hands up a moment. So he's got his lime, and he puts it on top, and he just presses down. As you can see, there's a little bit of lime juice here at the bottom that it's making. We have quite a bit of limes to go, and he enjoys doing it. So, what do you think? Do you recommend this juicer to people?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. 10 out of 10, recommend.